How to fix Samsung Galaxy A36 Bluetooth audio not working. So let's start the video. First of all, swipe down to your control center and here you can turn on or off your Bluetooth. After turning on or off your Bluetooth, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, then open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, then go back and click on general management and scroll down and click on reset. Now click on reset mobile network settings. Now click on reset settings. After reset the network settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.